Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.